everyone, it's Jeanette of Raven Rose 14, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by, and if you could hit that subscribe button, your support means the world to me. So today we are cleaning up my guest bedroom, which seems to always be a good video to post when I need to up my subs. So I have my guest bedroom and my guest bath I need to go ahead and clean as well. Let me just quickly show you. So yes, like a pretty standard guest bedroom. I do want to change the comforter into the spring summer comforter, which I have a white one over there, and then just do some dusting and obviously vacuum. So yeah, let's get started.
Play your own I'm writing to tell you how I feel. You are my kryptonite, you're my Achilles heel. You found out my weakness, that's how I know it's real. You make me much stronger, now I'm a man of steel. You're the only one for me. You're the only one for me, girl. I pray that you'll come around and see eventually. You're the only one I need. Come on, come on. Though you'll probably never believe me, I'm gonna make you see. I give you anything you want, baby. I give you everything you need. I give you all your heart desires, baby. I absolutely guarantee. I give it all to you. I give it all to you. I told you I got you, and every word is true. I'm honest with you, but baby, I'm not here. Be there to support you through both the thick and thin. You're the only one for me. You're the only one for me. I pray that you'll come around and see eventually. You're the only one I need. Come on, come on. Though you'll probably never believe me, I'm gonna make you see. I give you anything you want, baby. I give you anything you need. Anything you need, anything you need. I give you all your heart desires, baby. I absolutely guarantee. And maybe we can work it out, work it out, work it out. Baby, 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 baby. And maybe we can work it out, work it out, work it out. Maybe, 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 maybe. And maybe we can work it out, work it out, work it out. Baby, baby, baby. And maybe we can work it out, work it out, work it out. I just wanted you to know that you deserve the best thing. Baby, it's the best when you call me your best friend. Then we get the sex and dinner in the evening, spending every weekend. We don't do much sleeping, we too busy getting busy. You deserve the best thing. Baby, it's the best when you call me your best friend. Then we get the sex and dinner in the evening, spending every weekend. We don't do much sleeping, we too busy getting busy. Off the coast of California, doing anything we wanna, living out our lives in limbo. We don't have a single care in the world. I'm just out here with my baby. We ain't got no worries lately. We gon' do this till we 80. All this hard work gon' pay off in the long run. Someday soon, I'm gon' take you to a private island, wine and dine and treat you right like every night. Someday soon, I'm gon' take you to a private island, wine and dine and treat you right like every night. Someday soon, I'm gon' take you to a private island, wine and dine and treat you right like every night. Someday soon, I'm gon' take you to a private island, wine and dine and treat you right. In a state of pure nirvana, smoking Cubans in Colombia, My oh my, I feel like Pablo. Sunday morning sipping Caesars over brunch. Afternoon take a siesta. Sun go down, throw a fiesta. We'll remember this forever. Leave a legacy to linger when we're long gone. Someday soon, I'm gonna take you to a private island, wine and dine and treat you right like every night. Someday soon, I'm gonna take you to a private island, wine and dine and treat you right like every night. Someday soon, I'm gonna take you to a private island, wine and dine and treat you right like every night. Someday soon, I'm gonna take you to a private island, wine and dine and treat you right. When I get this money, I'm gonna spend it all on you. Anywhere you wanna go, anything you wanna do. Any place you haven't seen, put your finger on the map. All you gotta do is ask, baby girl, I'll make it happen. When I get this money, I'm gonna spend it all on you. Anywhere you wanna go, anything you wanna do. Any place you haven't seen, put your finger on the map. All you gotta do is ask, baby girl, I'll make it happen. Someday soon, I'm gonna take you to a private island, wine and dine and treat you right like every night. Someday soon, I'm gonna take you to a private island, wine and dine and treat you right like every night. Someday soon, I'm gonna take you to a private island, wine and dine and treat you right like every night. Someday soon, I'm gonna take you to a private island, wine and dine and treat you right like every night. Someday soon, I'm gonna take you to a private island, wine and dine and treat you right like every night. Someday soon, I'm gonna take you to a private island, wine and dine and treat you right like every night. Someday soon, I'm gonna take you to a private island.
Alright, so we got a nice clean bathroom. Cleaned up. It's not that it was dirty, it was just dusty. Toilet. Sink. Alright guys, that's it for this Sunday reset. I got the guest bedroom done as well as the guest bathroom done. So let's call it a day. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Play your own